Hello dear traders, you are watching Economic Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. On Thursday and Friday, the following macroeconomic events that can influence the currency market situation will be out. On Thursday, China will publish an inflation report for July. Experts anticipate that consumer price grew by 2% from the same period of last year. Let us remind that in June, Chinese inflationary pressures picked up. Consumer price inflation rose by 1.9% in the year to June, up from 1.8% in May. While in line with expectations, the result was still well below the 3% level targeted by the People's Bank of China. Non-food inflation was largely responsible for the increase over the year, rising by 2.2%. In contrast, food inflation grew by just 0.3% over the same period. On Friday, Great Britain will report on its GDP change for the second quarter 2018. The GDP is expected to have grown by 0.4% on a quarterly basis. In the previous three-month period, the UK economy grew at a faster rate than initially thought, raising hopes for a pickup in growth after the sluggish start to the year. The Office for National Statistics unexpectedly revised higher its thought and final estimate for UK growth in the first quarter to 0.2% from 0.1%. The Bank of England has consistently argued in recent months that the UK economy is stronger than official figures might suggest, which could support a rate rise to 0.75% from 0.5%. On Friday, the US will release a July inflation report. Consumer prices are expected to gain 0.2% from June and 3% compared with the previous year. In June, US consumer prices barely rose, but the underlying trend continued to point to a steady build-up of inflation pressure that could keep the Fed on a path of gradual interest rate hikes. The consumer price index moved up by 0.1% as gasoline price growth moderated and April prices fell. In the 12 months through June, inflation accelerated by 2.9%, the biggest gain since February 2012. A different inflation measure, which is tracked by the Federal Reserve, hit the US Central Bank's 2% target in May for the first time in 6 years. As economists expected, the personal consumption expenditures price index, excluding food and energy, will overshoot its target. On top of the above-mentioned events, market will watch the following reports on Thursday and Friday. On Thursday, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand will announce its benchmark interest rate. Canada is to release data on new house price inflation. The US is expected to produce reports on producer price inflation and the weekly report on jobless claims. On Friday, Japan will release preliminary data on second quarter growth. The UK is to publish reports on manufacturing production, business investments and trade. Canada will reveal its jobs report for July. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I wish you profitable deals. See you later.